Hi, it's Rosie, and welcome to Rosie Reacts. Today I'm going to be finishing up the Jhope Hope World mixtape. I'm going to be reacting to Hangsang, Airplane, and Blue Side? I think that's the last one, Blue Side. So if you haven't checked out my previous two parts to this series, go ahead and do that. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and jump into this. Gino Clint, thank you a lot for providing me with these lyric videos, and also for letting me know that Hangsang translates to always, right? I'll keep that in mind. Let's go ahead and jump into this. Ooh, Supreme Boy. You guys been telling me there's been controversy around him, right? Where's the music? Dear God, that scared the crap out of me. I was like, for a second I thought there was something wrong with my audio. And then it just came out of nowhere. I'm gonna put that down just a little bit. Oh my God, okay. It just jumps at you, doesn't it? Okay, prepare myself.
Smash on the street, smash on the street. When I'm cruising down there, airport, 내 친구들과 비행기 타고. Every day I'm so turned up with my boys. Every day I'm so turned up with my dog. Yeah. Sound with my dog, right? Sound with my dog, right? Sound with my dog, right? Smash on the street, smash on the street. 우리 행복해 요즘을. 누군 떼버려 구찌 탭. 누군 카우스 토이 몇백 개. 누군 살집을 고민해. 맞고 오른 건물. 우물박 보고 좋은 건물. 넓은 잎판에 익은 건물. 멋진 친구들과 멋진 건물. 눈 뜨면 red road. Walking, walking, walking. 탑 셀럽들의 코. Talking, talking, talking. 이 순간들은 다 항상 with my dog. 앞으로도 다 항상 with my dog. 7명에게 세상 이 밤 맞춰. 우린 같이 항상
Okay, before. Okay, so what I'm getting from the song sounds like yeah, he's told us that he's gotten, success through his hard work, and now he's talking about the fruits of that success. Right now he's able to afford luxuries that he wasn't able to before, and it's because of his hard work that he deserves this stuff. Like, he deserves to be able to spend his money on what he wants to spend it on, and also he sticks by the people who have stuck by him. Like he said, like with his like 7 people, and then also like with my dog, with my thug, or whatever. So talking about like sticking with his friends and stuff like that. And I know that this is featuring Supreme Boy, and I know because I did watch I watched a video on my own explaining about the producers that BTS works with. So like P-Dog, Adora, Slow Rabbit, and Supreme Boy. And I know Supreme Boy has some like controversy surrounding him, but it seems like they still keep him around, they still work with him, and so even though he has controversy, they still consider themselves close. They're still friends with him and stuff like that. So that might be part of the reason, maybe, that Jhope has Supreme Boy featured on this track, yeah. And that they're talking about like with my dog and stuff like that, maybe.
Sound with my dog, right? Sound with my dog, right? Sound with my dog, right? Smash on the street, smash on the street. When I'm cruising down there, airport.
That picture is so obnoxious, I'm not gonna lie.
Every day I'm so turned up with my boys. Every day I'm so turned up with my dog. Yeah. Sound with my dog, right? Sound with my dog, right? Sound with my dog.
This beat is really catchy though.
Try my swag now, I'm balling on the worldwide. Try my swag now, my bill of love hate down. 정상에 너와 친구들이 와 있지. Jhope, man. Hold up, 언제부터 여기 make pass? Whole body, 형, that mother fake ass. 눈 뜰 때마다 make a scene 내 면에 오르네. 저 위에 전색지 불렀던 듯해. Haters better cut down. Credit card chop like a right chop chop. Me and my friend, 너 바꿔 trend set. Hold up, man, 이제는 내가 펩사이. 적상에 너와 친구들이 YJ. BTS rock bottom, yeah, that's my team. Hangsang with my thug, right? Hangsang with my thug, right? Hangsang with my thug, right? Smash on the street, smash on the street. When I cruising down there, airport. 내 친구들과 비행기 타고. Every day I'm so turned up with my boys. Every day I'm so turned up with my dog. Yeah. Hangsang with my thug, right? Hangsang with my thug, right? Hangsang with my thug, right? Smash on the street, smash on the street. 나만의 룰로 내 브로와 같이 나란히 걸어. 데뷔 전부터 우리 맘이 거품 묻는 거도 모두 저기였고 우리 편은 아무도 없어. 그런 팀이 역전해서 이제 세계를 열어. Feel like I don't care. 불러 흔들어 철길.
Sorry, I'm gonna bring that back just a little bit, and then just to see the lyric on that again, and then I'll let it play through. See if I can find it. If I can find it. By only by my rules I walk, believing in just us since before debut, and harvesting hearsay. Now we're opening to the world. Okay, our team came up from behind. Yeah, so again, because what I know also is that Supreme Boy was meant to be a part of BTS, right? Trying to remember all the details. There's been a lot of information that I've been cramming into my head for the last couple of months, guys. I think Supreme Boy was meant to be a part of BTS before he bowed out, and he stayed on as a producer, right? So they've known each other for quite a while. So yeah, I feel like this song is probably, besides talking about how they have success now and they're able to, you know, like reap the fruits of their success, is also talking about, even though there's controversy, and I know some of it is quite serious controversy, I'm not gonna bring it up, that, you know, they've had each other's backs for so long, that's not gonna change. So I can understand that. I mean, after a certain point, when you've been through a lot of stuff with people, you basically start feeling like they're part of your family, right? And it's not very easy to, it's not easy to like distance yourself from someone that you consider family. So I can understand sticking by someone even when there's controversy surrounding them. Yeah, I can understand it. 나만의 룰로 내 브로와 같이 나란히 걸어. 데뷔 전부터 우리 맘이 거품 묻는 거도 모두 저기였고 우리 편은 아무도 없어. 그런 팀이 역전해서 이제 세계를 열어. Feel like I don't care. 불러 흔들어 철길. 전 세계가 원해 우리 힙합은 make it. 그저 꿈꾸는 대로 모든 현실을 될줄. 이제 우리의 turn 싹다 싸버려 rich. 정당스러운 게 바빠. 앞이 없이 와. So yeah, what I get from that is sticking by the people who stick with you through thick and thin, and like working hard, bearing the fruits of your labor. That's the gist of what I'm getting from that song. I do have to say, I am glad that Supreme Boy decided to be a producer rather than stay in BTS, because while his part wasn't bad, I don't think it's really quite on the same level as like RM or Sugar. I can't talk, guys. RM or Sugar or Jhope. Um, so I yeah, just personal opinion, personal taste. I just don't think that his flow or his tone of voice and stuff like that is just I just don't think it's quite on the same level. And I think that might have been a little noticeable if he had remained part of the group. I don't know how that would have worked out. But if he helped produce this beat, then he is talented because I do like this beat a lot. I thought the beat on this song is so good. I think my favorite part of the song, though, was the last part that Jhope did. That was a really good part. Okay, now let's go ahead and go to Airplane. So I'm going to do this, since it's a music video, once through without pausing and without captions, so I can take in the music video, and then once with the captions on so I can look at the lyrics.
그때 나를 다시 기억해 메마른 땅이 나부 태울 때저 푸른 하늘 보며 뛰었네 날고 싶었어 그 에어플레인 그때 나를 다시 기억해 메마른 땅이 나부 태울 때저 푸른 하늘 보며 뛰었네 날고 싶었어 그 에어플레인 아직도 난 안 믿겨 광주 토박이의 비행사 매겨 높고 높았던 꿈의 자리에서 아름다운 세상 will 나고 있어 눈 탓대서 떠보내 느낀 슬레임 아직도 생각해 그게 내 꿈을 띄워게 지금을 만들었게 everywhere 이제 네 슈에 플래시 터질 때 안전한 도착의 축복을 담을게 그때 나를 다시 기억해 메마른 땅이 나무 태울 때저 푸른 하늘 보며 뛰었네 이제 원 없이 날아 에어플레인 누군가는 나를 기억해 그 누군가도 질투도 외롭게 hey yeah. 신경 안 써 그저 웃게 돼 Free champagne in my airplane 구름 위를 매일 구름 위를 매일 구름 위에 내 feel 구름 위에 check it 구름과의 케미 구름과 하루 종일 구름 타는 재미 구름 보면 fading 너희 몰라 maybe 몇 년 동안의 비행 탓을 말리지만 몇십만 대못 이룬 너희들을 위로해줄 때야 그 비행 포인트로 선물할게 Love airplane mode 신경 다 off 그 누구든지 뭐라던 그저 계속 first를 지키며 밤하늘을 볼게 지금 내 자리에 만큼 그때 나를 다시 기억해 메마른 땅이 나부 태울 때저 푸른 하늘 보며 뛰었네 그때를 생각해 이 에어플레인 누군가도 나를 기억해 그 누군가도 질투도 외롭게 hey yeah. 신경 안 써 그저 행복해 성공을 느껴 in my airplane
Okay. So, from the imagery, there's some connections to Daydream, like the airplane imagery and that room with the TV screen that was also in Daydream. So I feel like probably when I look at the lyrics, it might be connected. In terms of the song itself, let me just talk about the sound. I like the verses. I like the verses a lot. I particularly like the bridge part. This is definitely a more slowed down, subdued song, and it's not bad, but compared to the other songs on the mixtape, this is probably my least favorite sonically speaking. Like, I'm gonna check out the lyrics to see how I feel about it lyrically wise. But sonically speaking, it's probably my least favorite on the mixtape so far. I only got one song left to go. I think part of it is just I feel like the chorus was too long, maybe. Yeah, I feel like maybe the chorus was a bit too long. If it had been shortened just a little bit, maybe. I don't know. I think overall it's not my favorite style of song. But like I said, it's not bad. It's just not my favorite. Probably I would listen to this every now and then. I just have to be in the mood for it. Let's go ahead and take a look at the lyrics. I wonder if is this like a real airport? How much did this cost to rent?
날고 싶었어 그 airplane 그때 나를 다시 기억해 메마른 땅이 나보 태울 때 저 푸른 하늘 보며 뛰었네 날고 싶었어 그 airplane 아직도 난 안 믿겨 광주 토박이의 비행사 매겨 높고 높았던 꿈의 자리에서 아름다운 세상 will 나고 있어 눈 탁 떼쳐 일본 행때 느낀 슬레임 아직도 생각해 그게 내 꿈을 이루게.
Okay, I get it. I get why it's a bit more slowed down now. It's like meant to be almost like not like nostalgic, but like telling, like remembering a story, like reminiscing type maybe. Like he's going over like how when he was younger, you know, like he used to dream about flying on that airplane, and that was kind of like the symbol of his ambition, and now he's actually reached the point where he can do that. So yeah, that does fit with daydream, you know, like daydreaming about what you want to do, and actually putting in the work to achieve that dream. That and see why there was the interconnectedness of the music videos with the airplane imagery.
지금은 만들게 everywhere 이젠 네 슈에 플래시 터질 때 안전한 도착의 축복을 담을게 그때 나를 다시 기억해 메마른 땅이 나보 태울 때저 푸른 하늘 보며 뛰었네 이젠 원 없이 날아 airplane 누군가가 나를 기억해 구름 위를 매일 구름 위에 내 feel 구름 위에 check it 구름과의 케미 구름과 하루 종일 구름 타는 재미 구름 보면 fading 너희 몰라 maybe 몇 년 동안의 비행 탓을 말리지만 몇십만 대못 이룬 너희들을 위로해줄 때야 그 비행 포인트로 선물할게 Love airplane mode
I'll give the fly points as a present. Got mileage close to 1 million. Where is it at? There was another line, isn't there? It's time to console you who didn't make it yet. Oh. Okay, yeah, I like it. This bridge is a little bit like a flex. You know, just being like, you know, I have all these miles I'll give to you like a present, you know, as it's a consolation prize, considering the fact that you're not where I'm at yet. And who knows if you're ever gonna be. Yeah, so yeah, I like how this whole mixtape is basically it's very cohesive, talking about, you know, like the dream that you have and that you strive to achieve, and taking your life into your own hands, and like putting in the work, and like you can be proud of your achievements, and you can like you have the right to do what you want to do once you've reached that level, because of the amount that you put, the amount of work you put in, you know, on yeah, and like, you know, put people a little bit in their place who try to talk crap about you when they haven't reached that level, and they're jealous and stuff like that, basically because they haven't put in the type of work that you've put in, you know, like people who are trying to make things out to be your fault when it's really their fault, and they can't admit it to themselves.
포인트로 선물할게 Love airplane mode 신경 다 off 그 누구든지 뭐라던 그저 계속 first를 지키며 밤하늘을 볼게 지금 내 자리에 맞춰 그때 나를 다시 기억해 메마른 땅이 나 불태울 때저 푸른 하늘 보며 뛰었네 그때를 생각해 이 airplane 누군가도 나를 기억해 신경 안 써 그저 행복해 성공을 느껴 in my airplane
And I'm saying, like, I remember myself back then and stuff, so also the sense of not forgetting your roots, not forgetting where you came from, still managing to remain some level of humble. Yeah, I think I liked it better on the second listen. So I feel like this probably is going to end up being a song where the more I listen to it, the more I end up liking it. And that does happen. I don't always love a song on the first listen. Let's see. I think probably the only BTS song that I'm still not crazy about, even after listening to it several times, is DNA. It still hasn't made my playlist. But I've given it a couple of shots because I know myself, and I know that sometimes I need to listen to something more than once in order to really, really appreciate it. Okay, so we've got one last song. Finish out this mixtape. It's a short one. Blue Side Outro, 1 minute and 32 seconds. It's a short one, so I think I'll listen to it all the way through, and then I might listen to it again to look at the lyrics a little more closely. Let's listen to the sound.
blue side, blue side, back to blue side.
Well, that was really short, and the lyrics were very simple. I don't think it really said much except for blue side. Like, back to blue side, blue side. It was basically all inside my blue dream. I want to continue. I want to continue, blue side. Even if you say no, inside my eyes, blue side, inside my blue dream. I want to hold you, I want to hold you, even if you say we can't. Inside my embrace, blue side, back to blue side. Huh. It would help if I understood what blue side meant, guys. I'm gonna just take a quick look to see if Dulcet has any note on what the hell blue side is in reference to. Because if it's some type of color symbolism, I've never been good at color symbolism. Like, Great Gatsby ruined color symbolism for me, okay, guys? Darn it, it doesn't say it. No. Okay. Now, guys, I don't know what this means. Because I don't know what blue side is supposed to be. I'm gonna listen to it once more time. And I'm gonna see what the music makes me feel. And then I'm just gonna go by that. Okay. Yeah, I feel like maybe they're like the color blue has some type of symbolism. I'm not sure what kind of symbolism it's supposed to be. And then I also imagine that there might be cultural differences with color symbolism. And I'm not good with American color symbolism, so I imagine Korean color symbolism would be even more over my head. But I'm going to take a guess and maybe say that, I don't know, is blue the color of hope in Korea? I'm not sure. But let's say it is the color of hope. Then maybe he's just saying, he always wants to hold hope close to his chest, or like embrace hope, embrace like hopeful thoughts and dreaming and stuff like that. Like, I'm not sure. there is an explanation video for this mixtape that I'm going to watch right after this, so hopefully it mentions something about this. Because if not, I'll be a little irritated. Because this is the one song where I really am not sure, and it's the one with the most simplistic lyrics. And because it has simplistic lyrics that repeat Blue Side over and over, since I'm not quite sure what Blue Side means, it hurts. But guys, what a great mixtape. Yeah, this was really, really good. Now I'm not going to like say anything about like whether or not like if Augusty 1 or 2 or this was better than each other, you know. I'm not gonna do it like that because they're honestly just so different. They're just so different that it's hard to compare, you know what I mean? And they're both great. I do think it's fair though to say like what might resonate with a person more. I think D2 probably is the mixtape that has resonated with me the most that I've heard so far. But this one is so good too, and there are a lot of songs on this that I would definitely put on when I just want to like, you know, like pop around a little bit, sing along to in my car, you know, as much as I can sing along to a Korean song, but you know what I mean. Out of the songs on this mixtape, let's see. What would be my favorites? I think Piece of Peace and let's do a top 3. In no particular order, I'll put Piece of Peace, Daydream, and even though it was short, it was such a baba. I gotta put Baseline in there, man. Baseline was so good. Oh, it was so good. Okay. But yeah, I'm done with Jhope's mixtape. I can't believe it. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna be doing the explanation video for this mixtape as well, so don't forget to check that out. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.